lovelies, and welcome to Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube episode number 166. Today's episode is on party wear. You can see we have lovely Chanderi Paithanis and also chicken curry saris in Georgettes. So let's keep watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications. Myself, Lalia Dattagupta. Product number 1, Chinon Kashmiri. Party wear doesn't mean it has to have so much of stones and zaris. Party wear can be the overall look, it can be very subtle and elegant also, but at the same time it should stand out in the crowd. So this is a very nice soft quality chinon, crepe chinon with machine Kashmiri embroidery throughout the sari. The color is mustard and the colors of the thread is coral, red, green, off-whites, lovely shades, 6,500. Zari woven border and pallu. Throughout thread work, it has a great fall. Again, lightweight, even though it's full of work, it will not be heavy. It will be comfortable. You can wear your statement. You can wear your lovely jewelries. This has a plain mustard color blouse piece, and throughout the sari will have thread work. A very elegant sari, Chinon Kashmiri. So this is the sari. Can you see the work, the colors that has been used, and this is the back side. So much of thread work but very neat finish. Another color, wine color number 2. So in this range, this is a very pretty evening wear sari. Nice embroidery, gorgeous look. And see the thread work. Again, this too will have a chinon blouse piece, solid color with the narrow sleek zari border. Very dark bottle green, again in chinon. These are not see-through and it has a very soft and very beautiful fall, due to which the thread work stand out very well. And see the narrow zari woven border in the sari. The color combination is also very smart. So for evenings, party wear, these will really look nice. And the blouse, all the blouses of these chinon will be solid color with the zari border. So here is the sari. See, throughout the body it will have the thread work. And very reasonably ranged also. A nice lovely red color, 6,500, same price. Red looks very pretty. Bright deep scarlet red color, with nice embroidery throughout, same Kashmiri. And see, the embroidery is done of single dhaga. Can you see the intricacy of the work? Here's the blouse piece. Very cute work. Now coming to traditional yet party wear look, tissue kota, or you can say zari kota, in a light gold shade with all over absolutely stunning gorgeous chicken work with tiny mirror works. So it can be a very elegant, classy party wear sari where you are getting the sheen, you are getting thread work also. And 6,500 price. You never go wrong with thread works. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be in gold with little mirrors in the sleeves. Basically the sari is this, a very smart looking sari. You wear it with, absolutely contrast jewelry. The whole sari, if you're wearing it in light gold, go for a coral or a emerald, absolutely or onyx, any contrast jewelry with this. Look really nice. The sari will stand out, your jewelry will also stand out. Another chikankari, zari kota, petni border, woven pethani border, all over zari kota machine embroidery chikankari, 5,990 rupees. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. And once you make the transfer, once I confirm you, kindly make the transfer in the business account that we provide you. Once the payment is received, we will courier it to you within 2 working days. And international shipment depends on the weight and the destination. One product, you know what happens, suppose one sari is 300, 400, 500 grams. So after packaging, it comes to 600 grams. So you're wasting 400 grams. You are falling in the slot of a 1 kg, but you have a 400 gram wastage for which you have to pay, you are paying for it. So it's best to club in few more and then buy. You can pay for the sari now, and last of all when you buy a few more pieces, of course if you like our product, then we can ship it together. Black is incomplete. Party wear wardrobe is incomplete without black, and here is a nice Kora Kashmiri silk organza Kashmiri thread work 9,500 jet black. Actually, in a previous Kora episode, I had shown 2 more colors in the same embroidery. That was in bottle green, which is also available now, and dark coffee color. Those are also available. Don't remember the episode name, but those are also available. This is the blouse piece for this. Fully Kashmiri, rich, gorgeous blouse for this. And this is the sari. Very smart looking. For party wears, these are really nice evening wear. Jet black, and now is the season to wear blacks and bling. Another lovely color combination, dark moss green color with again thread work, paisley, full embroidery, silk threads have been used, little stone works throughout. Very sleek, narrow katdana border. The border is provided so that it doesn't fall off your shoulder. It's manageable. 10,950 rupees. Not only these are fashionable, but these are, since it has a traditional touch, these are evergreen sarees. This will have this blouse piece in crepe with the border. I have more colors in this, like the black, red is also available. I'll show you colors now also. Bright red color again with monotone thread work. Kardana border. See the back side. Why we always, since it's kardana, the thread might, come off or whatever. That's why we have done the edging in satin patti. Back side. This is the back side. Can you see the neat finish? This is the front side. ₹10,950 all over thread work. It will have the red blouse. With this embroidery, stonework. Another uncommon shade, very uncommon shade. It's a burgundy color with grey embroidery. So all the colors are very unique. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number. Once we confirm you the availability of the product, we'll give you the bank details. It's a business account. Proper GST bill will be provided with each shipment, and after payment, we'll courier it to you within 2 to 3 working days. Please provide your full name, address, zip code or pin code, country and delivery phone number in one format. This is the blouse piece. Just in one message, send the whole details, because I forwarded to the dispatch team, so it's easy for them to just have the whole details in one message. Now coming to chicken curry in Georgette. So these are also very good for party wears. It has all over thread work, traditional yet very smart. Green self thread work with mirrors, machine embroidery of course, because hand work in chicken costs a bomb. 8200 with finishing. See the back side. Edging is done. Throughout embroidery in leher style. Green with running green blouse piece. The prices are all mentioned. I must have missed out quite a few, but the prices you will find it in the screenshot. It's all mentioned. Number 12. Dark navy. 10,950 rupees. See the edging, satin fall already attached. All over thread work with self sequins, little sequins, navy color with all over embroidery. I love this work. This is throughout embroidery, and we have the so many of you, Sanskriti Srimoti, they have shared their pictures wearing different colors in this. We have many shades in this design, and it's it's very appreciated by all of you. This is the blouse piece for this. This is the blouse piece. You can see the color. Very smart color. 10,500. We have lovely red, whites, beige, many shades, pink, peach. This is another very nice color, fudge color. Very classy color. Chicken curry looks very pretty in these shades, earthy tones. Again, see the finish. The work, back side, front side. 10,500. See the work. Throughout thread work. And here comes a lovely blouse piece with this. It will have booties with the border in the sleeves. Very pretty color. Now coming to a nice powder blue color. It's greyish powder blue, you can say grey color, light ash color, but it has a touch of powder blue tone in this. It's not that dull grey, it's a very nice soothing grey color. See this is the actual color. Rich, isn't it? Very pretty. Wear your silver jewelry. Chicken looks very smart with silver junks. Even the one that I am wearing, this neck piece will also go very well with all the chickens that I am showing you. Here comes the blouse piece for this. This is 2550, right? The price? 2350. The neck piece of this is 3250. 3250 rupees is for the neck piece. It has a earring with this also. Is it? Yeah. It has a earring. Kotha earring ta? Yeah. This has this earring. See? 3250 for the whole set. 3250, and the balas is 2500. The pair of bala with pearl setting is 2500. It has a screw system, so any size would fit you, and the neck piece is with the earring 3250. Another cool shade, lime green color. Back, the front, very cool shade, exactly thanda cool shade. A very cute color combination. 10,500. And here comes the blouse piece for this. The fall is so good, na? The fall with so much of work, but it's not heavy. The fall is coming out well because of the quality of the georgette. Now a nice coral color. The thread work is in coral and the body is in, it's a, oh my god, I won't be able to tell you the exact shade. You help me out. What would be the exact shade? I would say pinkish red. And the body whole thread work is in coral. 8200. This is the color actually, see. Very uncommon shade, very uncommon. It's more of a dark pinkish color. This is the blouse piece for this. Stone work and all over embroidery. Again the satin finish. Now shifting to Chanderi Banarasi Paithani weave. 10,500 black. These are not Katan silk, these are Chanderis blended. Product number 17. With all over Bhuta, Banarasi Paithani woven border, pallu, and the most gorgeous rich blouse piece. Woven blouse piece for this. And the sari is this. Because of the broad border and so much of intricate weaving colors, it's a very pretty sari. Because Katan Paithani weaves start from 16,000-17,000, and these, the border and all are all woven, but these are in Chanderi. See this one, a grey color. Both sides same breadth border. Border width is almost same. Yeah, it's same. And see the very pretty bird weave. This white color bird is standing out in the zari. It's looking so pretty. 9,950 rupees for this. 9,950 with a red blouse piece with the border. Very gorgeous, bright. I'm loving the borders. Even the color combination is very nice. Green and Rani. $10,500. Again, Chanderi Banarasi Paithani weave. Contrast Rani blouse piece with sleek narrow border. Gorgeous color combination. Purple with orange. all wedding wear. Number 20, 10,500. Very bright, very pretty. Contrast orange blouse piece with the border. Rich, right? Navy. Each sari I'm opening, I'm trying to explain. I'll show you the fall after draping each product so that you can understand. The screenshot, the prices, the details, description is all mentioned. Just take the screenshot. The number is important. Don't crop it. Just you crop it till the end. I mean, just the number should be there when you're sending the screenshot for booking. This too will have this rich woven blouse piece. Pallu. Small booties all over, especially see the border weave. This is the upper border weave and this is the lower border weave. Another gorgeous Chanderi Banarasi, wow. Hot pink. You can see a bright, lovely Rani color. All over Buta, see the border. Very gorgeous. 7,990 rupees. 7,990. Stunning woven blouse piece. It's looking nice, huh? Now the one that the mannequin is wearing. Again in black with orange, floral and bird weave. See the pallu with similar blouse piece. This sari has this blouse and the price of this is also 10,900. Yeah. 10,500. This is 10,500. This is the lower border. This is the upper border. And this is the pallu. Jet black with all over buta. Very traditional look. Now coming to silk. Pure silk. With heavy Ari embroidery Kutch work. Ari Kutch work with mirrors. Pallu 18,900. See the fine mirror works that has been used. The filling of each motif. These lines, these are also very, difficult embroidery. And even the temples, with each mirrors. The whole body will have throughout mirror work. Hand ari. These are all hand ari work. And throughout embroidery, the color is rich blue color with contrast. Absolutely throughout embroidery, contrast magenta blouse piece. The front, the back, the sleeves will be throughout work. Now this is the back side. Here is the dart opening. So you have to put the dart here, the tailor would know. This is the front work, front open you have to make. This is the sleeves. This is the other front work. So two fronts, front open, back work. So that's the way the whole sari is done. Pure heavy quality silk. I have another color, red. All these are party wear look, traditional saris, yet rich and gorgeous. This will have a sleeker upper border, gorgeous contrast yellow with red, lower border, again with mirror work and embroidery. Pallu also with thread work, 18,900. Body with bigger buttas along with mirror works, and see the body has varli. See, this is hand work, one butta, this is another design in butta, figures. Very cute, and the color of the red is also two-tone. It's a beautiful piece. Again throughout Golpo embroidery, Golpo Katha we must be knowing. These are all folk work, Varli embroidery. Since there's Varli booties in the body, along with that similar Varli embroidery in the body. Okay, this way I think it will be better to show you. The back, the front, the sleeves, full work. Stunning sari. Now another very interesting sari I will show you. Tussar, solid color. Those who wear saris during the 31st can try this. It's a very fashionable sari, solid pure tussar, jet black with embroidery in the border, mirror work in jet black. Throughout the body will have tiny mirror works throughout the body. Price 8,500, 8500. See, even with the blouse that I am wearing and the neck piece, just simple as it is, it's looking so nice, isn't it? So this, but now the main part is, and let me come to it, the blouse piece. Now with this I have given a stunning embroidered blouse piece. Kya baat. When you wear this with this blouse, do make longer sleeve, do make close neck, don't please waste material. Use the full stuff, full fabric please use. There's a lot of fabric. Make this quarter sleeve, close neck or boat neck so that the embroidery shows from here, like you wear this, and then see, it should show the solid color against this multicolor. See now the look. Very nice sari. And see the work, the embroidery. You can make a jacket blouse with this also. I have another stunning color. Both the colors are your favorite color. Black I've shown you. Now here comes the burgundy. I can take orders for this, but it will take around 2 months time because it's only one piece I have right now. But I don't know whether I'll be able to give the same blouse piece. The sari to ho jayega. This is the blouse piece for this. Looking nice, na? It's looking really nice, really grand. Amari bhal lege jacche eta. Actually, you should show it with this. And lastly, the one that I am wearing. It's a Chanderi sari. Very quirky print. Hence, I am wearing it for a party wear episode. Sometimes you do need easy to carry, free flowing fabric. This print is very different. See the colors that has been used, this impression colors print, but the border, this is woven. This is a woven border. In this woven border, this printing has been done, digital printing. And with this, you're getting this blouse piece. The price is 4,500. This is the blouse piece for this. 4,500. Lightweight, extremely comfortable. I'm crazy about this fabric. It's so comfortable. So 4,500 for this Chanderi printed woven border. Again, just see the woven border in the blouse and the sari. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Namaskar.